My name is Mike Roble. I'm the president of Direct Aero Systems, and we're here in St. Charles, Illinois at our manufacturing facility. We are a single source aerospace manufacturing supplier that produces anywhere from 5-axis machine components to sheet metal fabricated parts, complex assemblies, and complete electrical systems. Some of our strategic partners include obviously Autodesk. We do have 4 right now DMG Mori machines, and we have a DMU 340 gantry that's coming at the end of this year.
I'm not really married to any one CAM package or CAM software. We want to use what's best, and that's what we really get out of HSM products because of the ease of use, the machine time. I mean, we have brand new guys starting that are programming 5-axis machines that have never done that before in their life, and they're doing it with HSM products. With DMG Mori, we have a great partner, with technology and stuff like that. I mean, the machines are incredible. The speed, the precision. We can make these parts on other brands, but I would have to babysit that machine on every single part. And with this, I'm not using cutter compensation or anything like that, and we're pulling good parts off every single time.
We chose the DMG Mori machines because in the aerospace industry, to have that competitive edge, we need to have the latest technology to be not only productive, but profitable.
The ease of use is really what wins it for us. I mean, obviously I've programmed stuff in other systems before, and I know the challenges that come with that. And when I can reduce, my programming time by 50 or 75% to achieve the same thing and not, risk quality or sacrifice anything really, and have more adjustability and control over it, it's really a win for us. We use adaptive clearing to rough out parts really fast. When material comes in, we can get stuff roughing extremely fast, and we can get the rest of the program finished while the part is roughing in the machine.
All of our programmers come from different shops with different backgrounds in CAM software. And the transition to Autodesk software was very quick. There was little learning curve, and we were able to start making parts very quickly.
Other software is definitely capable, but being able to do something in 4 hours or half hour, I mean, what are you going to choose?